Hello guys, check this out. This is I don't know if it's a new technology or it's been around for a while, but check this out. And when I unbuckle the seatbelt light come on. When I put it on back on, it will come off. Now check this out. This is the seat of the car, right? The passenger seat. As you can see, it's empty. Once I put this on, bottled water, the seatbelt indicator comes back on right there. Seatbelt light indicator. I remove these bottled water, put them on the floor like that. The light come off. Okay, I put it back on, or I'll just press my hand. Probably it will come off. Right there. See that? It come off. I pressed it. It come back on. I remove it. It turns off. I press it back on. It come back on. Cool, eh?